Hi, my name's Chris Peters. I'm a plumber in New Romney. My mobile telephone number is 0791 785 2384. That's 0791 785 2384 to call me direct. I just got called out for a customer who had a leak in water mains, and when it came to it, what it actually was a leak coming out of here. It was quite a fine jet, but it sounded powerful and the water was all on the tiles. I basically had the confidence to just get my spanner, give it a quick tighten up there, and it stopped. Obviously, you could have bet your bottom dollar if they'd have done that, then this would have shot even more and got worse, because I was just in the knowledge of knowing where to turn it off outside, basically. So that was it. So I've obviously mopped up all the tiles, and it's all good. If you require your water mains repaired, either outside or inside, please give me a call. Thank you.